name's Tim McGrain. I'm the CEO of M1 Concourse. We're located here in Pontiac, Michigan. We are the site of the former GMC Truck and Assembly Plant West on South Boulevard and Woodward Avenue. Today we have the unique opportunity of hosting the GMC Motorhome Organization as they return to the birthplace of the iconic six-wheel motorhomes. They were manufactured here, Pontiac facility.
Hi, my name is Janice, and I'm here in Pontiac, Michigan at the M1 Concourse, the home of the GMC Motor Coach. And this is our homecoming, our 50-year anniversary, and I'm a very newbie. I'm only 7 weeks into this, so this is amazing to see all of this behind. We're never going to have this again. I can't even imagine it happening at this location.
Ty Hardiman from Oklahoma City, and we're here at the world famous M1 Concourse with a beautiful collection of GMCs here. It's a great day to get back to the home base of the GMC production and see where this all came from. It's really an exciting day, and we're glad to be here.
Hi, my name is Kit Woods. I'm here with my husband Steve and my 2 dogs. We live in Evanston, Illinois. We own a 1977 GMC Palm Beach. We came to this rally specifically because it is the first time in 50 years that as many people could get together as possible to celebrate the amazing GMC six-wheeler motor coach.
I'm Tom Katzenberger. I have a 1973 23-foot Birchhaven. Rebuilt it here, and we're at the M1 Concourse for the 50th anniversary of GMC. I'm a member of the Tidewater Crabs, which is a local organization for the Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia area, and I've been such for 4 years. Welcome anybody to come aboard that's in our area, and also welcome anybody to come aboard GMCMI to be a member and hopefully find a coach to restore as well.
Hey, my name is Jared Cole. I'm the Vice President of the Eastern Division of GMC Motorhomes International and also the President of the GMC Tidewater Crabs, which is based in Maryland, Virginia, and surrounding areas. The great thing is we're here at the M1 Concourse, which is actually the site of the birthplace of the GMC Motorhome 50 years ago. We've got 80 some odd coaches here. We just spent the last week together with 130 coaches at our semi-annual international rally, where we work on technical issues and help each other and really support each other. And we're super happy to be here, and this is just supporting the GMC lifestyle. It'd be great to have more people come on and join us.